I know what happened the other time with the noise. I'm pretty sure I got rid of it. I'm pretty sure I cannot have the the charger and my headphones in, so I took out my charger. So just to let you know, that probably won't be happening again. Look behind. This isn't the real game, but it's good enough. In here. No, seriously. There's nothing else. No. I'm gonna break the... Yeah. Look at your broken legs. You'll regret this. Stop. There's nothing here. No, seriously, that is it. The demo ends here. It's hard to control it's like the demo ends here. On the side it says the demo ends here. It's serious. Who's Joe? Baldy. Who's Joe? If I die once to this ball head, I swear to God. No. Oh no. Oh no. I don't have that much more time. Hey, hey. Oh no. If I just ignore that he's here, I can get out of it. Yep, I can get out of it by... Wait. The actual game would not let you do this. Bruh, that's how you find out that there's a hallway over there. Joe's Buzz. Who the heck is Joe? Whose poor man did you steal this from? I swear this man stole something. Bro, all these ads, we're never gonna get to play like that actual game, guys. I'm so sorry for all these ads. I did not know I was gonna do this. I'm so sorry. Think we got time. We do not got time to be doing this. Oh my god, every time I put a stick in, it decides it wants to go add. Crap. I had to charge it up. No. I don't know, he's gonna be like, I kept it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna end the video in a minute when I fell. I added the stick. Bruh. This is a bully in a tree. Now let me go get that stick all the way back there. Okay, let's run from Baldi. That's my game plan. We run from Baldi so he has to chase us down. Let's collect all these sticks. So when we I didn't ask for that, but okay. We're out of fire. Okay, game plan's ruined. Make it back to the fire before find us before Baldi can find us. I'm about to be what that. Well, guys, I'm sorry about so many ads, but this will be it, guys. Bye. This was Camping with Joey's school bus that Baldi painted over Baldi. Leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.